Hapless. Having bad luck or something bad happening to you. Example: the hapless traveler lost his luggage and missed his flight. Stoic. Going through pain and tough times without showing it or complaining. Example: the stoic soldier continued his duty despite his injuries. Nonchalant. Looking or acting relaxed and easygoing, not showing worry, interest, or excitement. Example: he gave a nonchalant shrug when asked about the incident. Obstinate. Refusing to change your mind or actions, even when others try to convince you. Example: the obstinate child refused to eat his vegetables. Aloof. Not very friendly or open, acting a bit cold and keeping distance. Example: she remained aloof during the conversation, hardly saying a word. Benevolent. Well-meaning and kindly. Example: the benevolent neighbor always helped those in need. Dubious. Feeling unsure or not confident. Example: she was dubious about the offer, thinking it might be too good to be true. Gregarious. Likes being around others, enjoys socializing. Example: he was gregarious and loved hosting parties. Impetuous. Acting or done quickly and without thought or care. Example: his impetuous decision to quit his job shocked everyone. Lament. A strong and deep feeling of sadness or pain. Example: she lamented the loss of her childhood home. Malevolent. Wanting to hurt or harm others. Example: the malevolent villain planned to defeat the hero. Ominous. Giving the impression that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. Example: the dark clouds looked ominous, signaling a storm was coming. Quizzical. Showing a bit of confusion or a funny reaction. Example: he raised a quizzical eyebrow at her strange question. Mundane. boring and not interesting. Example, he wanted to escape his mundane routine and go on an adventure. Tenuous. Very weak or slight. Example, the connection between the two events was tenuous at best. Uncanny. Strange or mysterious, especially in an unsettling way. Example, she had an uncanny ability to predict the outcome of events. Vicarious. Understanding what someone else is feeling or going through by imagining yourself in their situation. Example, she lived vicariously through her friends' adventures. Wary. Being careful because something might be dangerous or cause problems. Example, he was wary of strangers, especially after being scammed. Yearn. Have an intense feeling of longing for something, typically something that one has lost or been separated from. Example, she yearned for the days when she was carefree and young. Arduous. Something that needs a lot of effort and is hard and exhausting. Example, the climb up the mountain was an arduous journey. Conundrum. A confusing and difficult problem or question. Example, solving the puzzle was a real conundrum for the team. Nebulous. It's like a cloud or mist, not clear or hard to understand. Example, his plans for the future were still nebulous. Hesitate. To pause before doing something. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Encourage. To give someone support or hope. My parents always encourage me to do my best. Dependable. Someone you can trust to do the right thing. My best friend is very dependable. I can always count on her. Imitate. To copy someone or something. The baby loves to imitate her older sister. Afford. To have enough money to buy something. I can't afford a new phone right now. I need to save more money. Admire. To like or respect someone or something. I admire my teacher because she is kind and helpful. Appreciate. To be thankful for something. I appreciate your help with my homework. Anxious. Worried or nervous. He felt anxious before his big exam. Cautious. Being careful to avoid danger or mistakes. He is always cautious when crossing the street. Brave. Not afraid of danger. The firefighter was brave and saved the child from the fire. Demand. To ask for something strongly. The workers demand better pay and working conditions. Curious. Wanting to know or learn something. The little boy is curious about everything around him. Essential. Very important and necessary. Water is essential for all living things. Effort. Trying hard to do something. With a little more effort, you will finish the project on time. Abundant. A lot of something. There is abundant food at the party, so everyone can eat as much as they want. Glimpse. A quick look at something. I caught a glimpse of the actor before he left the stage. Mature. Acting grown up and responsible. She is very mature for her age and always makes good decisions. Inspire. To make someone feel they want to do something. His story inspired me to work harder toward my goals. Predict. To guess what will happen in the future. The weather forecast predicts rain for tomorrow. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.